Hi everybody, the title of my study is Enhancing the Resilience of the Construction Industry's Performance in Malaysia, Pre- and Post-COVID-19 Perspectives. I am Dr. Rahayati, the research leader, followed by Professor Dr. Rashima from UITM, Dr. Marina, and Dr. Sayahiza from UniShams. We start by explaining the introduction of this study. During COVID-19 pandemic, construction industries faced a crucial financial crisis of rapid capital outflow, slipping out of normal equilibrium including high liquidity and unstable exchange rates fluctuation. The disruption of financial distress of construction companies required the government to react aggressively to resurgent economic recovery for future growth through stabilizing the economy and monetary policies. The question is, what is the impact of COVID-19 to construction industry in Malaysia? Ladies and gentlemen, Ibrahim and Kamal, 2020, claimed that COVID-19 had given lots of hindrances to the construction players, such as the extension of time in delivering the project, the increased project costing and limited resources, which caused the failure of the construction project finished on time. The overvalued exchange rates, credit crunch led to rising inflation rates, inflationary pressures, retrenchment and unemployment were the underlying problem caused by COVID-19 led to the economic recession, especially in the construction industry. The first objective of this study is to identify the issues and problems faced by the construction industry during pre- and post-COVID-19 in sustaining the survivability of construction industry's performance. The second objective is to present a typology for the description and analysis of performance and management policy for construction industries. Lastly, the third objective of this study is to present strategic options that the Malaysian government could apply to address gaps in research of performance and management policy for construction industries to achieve a better policy. We continue the presentation with the literature review. Oganusi et al. 2020 claimed that the COVID-19 gives impacts on construction performance such as increased in overhead costs resulted from the cost of insurance and administrative charges. This higher overhead cost caused by low income generation from lower construction output. The delay in the construction side caused the negative impacts on construction financial capability resulting from disruption and delayed in financial commitments from clients. Ladies and gentlemen, material, equipment and supply chains were affected during the COVID-19 pandemic. The construction materials declined by 42% worth Rm 4.6 billion due to preventive regulations, and the chain of supplies for building materials, equipment and plants was disrupted. This is due to the closure of the country borders and the traditional transit and traffic routes. The labor segment was the most problematic issue during COVID-19, which had caused these foreign laborers to be sent home immediately to their home country to avoid the spread of the COVID-19 virus. The reduction of labor segmentation affects the productivity of the construction industry. Mukhtar et al. 2022 claims that architectural consultancy practice reported that 90% of contractors fail to pay their employees, which is worth Rm 3.3 million. We continue with the methodology of this study. This study uses a qualitative method that aims to deeply understand the issues and problems faced by the construction industry during pre- and post-COVID-19 in sustaining the survivability of construction industry's performance. This study will explore the professional opinion of focus group discussion by interviewing 10 respondents including 10 industry players, 10 educators, and 10 government personnel who are experts and well-versed with the construction industries in Malaysia, especially pre- and post-COVID-19. The focus group discussion will focus on 3 themes: performance, governance, operation, and human capital. The detailed questions were illustrated in the table below. Finally, as a conclusion, the Malaysia Economic Recovery Plan plays a crucial role in reshaping the government's adaptability to tackle the economic repercussions caused by the COVID-19 pandemic and the global financial crisis. The findings are expected to provide a new benchmark as a new source, reference, and mechanism to understand the capability of construction industries during pre- and post-COVID-19, which in line with the SDG 8, decent works and economic growth and SDG 9 industry innovation and infrastructure. I would like to thank Institute MALAYSIA for the support and thank you, everybody, for listening.